At Baxter Shipping, fragile doesn't mean risky. We cushion, secure, and protect every item with precision. With us, your valuables are always in the safest hands. Fragile items deserve strong protection. That's why Baxter uses only premium-grade boxes, built to keep your treasures safe. We carefully wrap each item in bubble sheets to protect it from scratches, shocks, and breakage. The cushioning creates a safety layer that absorbs impact during transit, ensuring your valuables stay pristine from start to finish. At Baxter, every item is accounted for. We track and label each box for transparency and efficiency, so you and our team know exactly what's moving and where it belongs. To secure the boxes, we use industrial-grade, high-strength tape designed specifically for transit. From mattresses to chairs and sofa, Baxter carefully wraps each furniture piece in protective covers, keeping them spotless and shielded throughout the move. At Baxter Shipping, we ensure your treasures arrive safely, from careful packing to secure transportation.